Backing up trial data is a critical part of data security. The ARM backup feature protects your data from hard drive failure or file corruption by saving a history of each ARM file to a separate drive. In this video, we discuss what to use for a backup device and demonstrate how to back up and restore files in ARM. The backup device should be a drive separate from your ARM files. We recommend using an SD card for the ARM backup, or a low-profile USB flash drive. These devices can be inserted and left alone, so are always connected without getting in the way. ARM compresses files when saving to the backup, so even an 8 GB drive is sufficient to hold many years' worth of backups. To turn on the ARM backup feature, first connect your backup device to your computer. Then in ARM, select Tools, then Options. Open the File tab. For the Backup option, select the Browse button. Browse to and select the backup drive. The Backup Interval option sets how frequently backup versions are saved. Once a backup is saved, there is not another version saved for at least another 60 minutes. This prevents a large number of previous versions with few differences between them. A smaller interval creates more frequent backup versions on the drive. Now click OK to save these changes. ARM saves backup files in a separate folder. This ensures that backup files do not get mixed in with your current files. Click OK to change the selected path to include the required ARM backup subfolder. ARM did not find an existing ARM backup folder at this location. Select Yes to create this folder on the backup drive. The Options dialog closes, and the ARM backup feature is now active. Now when a study file is saved, ARM automatically saves a copy of the file to the backup drive as a previous version. Next, let us look at how to restore a version from the ARM backup. From the study list, right-click on the file and select Previous Versions. This is the list of every saved change made to the file. In this example, there are 13 versions that have been saved over time, with number 13 being the version currently saved in the ARM data folder. Select a row and click View to open a read-only view of that version. Click the Restore button to save the desired version back to the ARM data folder. Note that the older version, number 11, becomes the current saved version, number 14. We do not lose version 13, so restoring does not delete any previous version.